Like, share, and
Today
subscribe the
we are going
channel.
to study elements of crime. One of the most important principles of criminal liability is that there must be wrongful act, actus reus, accompanied by wrongful intention, that is mens rea. There are certain elements of crime which are there must be a human being, there must be mens rea along with actus reus and which result into causing injury. First one is person and human being. Section 2 clause 26 of BNS defines the word person. The act should have been done by a human being before it can constitute a crime punishable at law. In earlier society, there are examples where animals were prosecuted and punished if by the act of an animal any injury was caused to any human being. That animal was liable for punishment as an offender after the actual trial and judgment of the case. With the development of notion of mens rea as an essential element of crime, the trial and punishment of animal and inanimate objects had to be given up. Only a human being under a legal obligation and capable of being punished could be the proper subject of criminal law. Second one is mens rea. Mens rea is a Latin word which means an evil intention. The general rule applicable in criminal law is actus non facit reum nisi mensat rea, that is, act itself does not make a man guilty unless his intention are so. An act itself does not make a man guilty unless his intention are so. The existence of liability with respect to crime is dependent upon certain mental conditions. The intent and act must concur to constitute a crime. For any criminal liability, there must be a voluntary act, and no person can be held liable for an act done against his will. Third element of crime is actus reus. To constitute a mere intention is not punishable. There must be an act according to the intention. Russell termed actus reus as physical event. Actus reus is the result of a deed prohibited by law and a physical result of a human conduct. Such human conduct may consist of acts of commission as well as acts of omission. Fourth and the last one is the injury. Injury may be caused to another human being, another society at large. Section 2 Clause 14 of BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita contains the injury. Thank you.